while researching for our trip for the train number 32 first class, we realized there was no videos. We had no clue how it would look like. So here we are. So this is what we booked. Bottom seats can fit 2 people. We had a good night's sleep with it. It was cool. We used a top seat. Equipment. This is always good when you travel. We never know when it's gonna rain, so your equipment's always protected and all the stuff. It's good here. Showers. I just tried the shower in the bathroom. It's really good. I think it's worth paying the bit extra to be on the first class from the Surat Thani Bangkok train. So yeah, really satisfied. Like, really cool. Someone's hiding here, so it fits 2 people. Really nice. So I have access to the bathroom. Just this. So this is the bathroom stall. For a shower. So, you know, looks really good. A shower. Really nice. I would suggest you guys to be like the minute you wake up to use it before a lot of people use it before you, and you have like tons of hair in the drain and shit. So yeah. So overall, it was a cool experience to use it, to try it. So I would suggest you to think about this option. So we're leaving you with the view. There's something really cool about this train. Also, it's you have different channels. It's fun. You can see who's taking a dump right now. Nobody. So, which is funny. And you have the map of where the train is. So it's a 10-hour train ride. If everything goes well. Sometimes it goes late, so that it's part of the experience, I guess. So really comfy, really cool. So